Hey guys, Paddy here, back with another episode of Stacking Profit. So today I just want to talk a little bit about Sunfrog shirts. So what is Sunfrog? Sunfrog is a POD platform that's print on demand. So you create the designs and they take care of everything else. So one of the reasons I want to talk about this is because you can create passive income from Sunfrog. Let me explain a little bit further. So every time you create a design and upload it to the Sunfrog platform, if it's a good design, other affiliates can sell your t-shirts for you and you make a seller's commission. Now, I've been with Sunfrog for a while now. I made a few designs and I was also selling them on one of my fan pages in the weed niche. So these were my designs. So I've only got, 7 designs. Now bear in mind that is only 7 designs, so I'm not going to make a lot of money from them. But imagine having 50 designs, 100 designs, 150 designs. So as you can see, this is all completely passive, where I've had affiliates here, $1.92, $1.26, another $1.26, all completely passive, because I even completely forgot about this. So this is passive income from affiliates selling my t-shirts. Now the easiest way to create t-shirts, go to Sunfrog first, and you want to see what is currently selling the most. So if we scroll down, this is in the dashboard. Today, trending customer searches. Today and last 7 days. See, we've got St. Patrick's, we've got dogs, nurse, cats. Then what you'd want to do is go over to Google. I've just typed in funny cat quotes. So you can go through these designs, have a look at the quotes, find some that you like, so you'd go through, you'd save them. I love cats, they taste like chicken. No, I wouldn't do that. No one ever asked me if I would rather be a cat. See, like ones like these. And then go over to Canva, which Canva is kind of like an online Photoshop, and it's free. Same with Pixlr. So you'd want to go to pixlr.com/editor and then create designs. Now keep them simple text-based designs. As you can see, mine aren't nothing special. As you can see, I'm not a designer. These didn't even take that long to do, but they do sell. Not a lot for me. Remember, I've only got 7. But still, that's free money. That's $52 that I didn't have before. So go ahead, find some t-shirt ideas, design a bunch of them, and upload them to Sunfrog shirts. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon to be notified for any further uploads I do. That being said, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.